Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. This is the zero clearance table insert for this model, RIDGID. This is a slider, model number R4210. We're going to show you how to install this. To shorten up the video, we went ahead and removed the screws in the OEM table insert. Put the zero clearance table insert in there. Do not use a power drive to put these in. Use this the screwdriver Phillips that's in this machine. This way you will not strip these out. Start them by hand. Snug them all first and then torque them. So I'm just going through here and you want these just flush or just below. You don't want them sticking up. So I'll torque that down so we get these flush. You can just reuse your hardware that comes with these. These are the hardwares that were held in the standard insert. Guys, if you like what you see in our videos, we would like you to subscribe, like, or share. You know, this is another product that's going to save you time. It's going to make safer cuts. If you need the best, come to CFS. Thank you very much.